Neoteric Properties presents Neoteric Reserve at Nature Park. Experience a life luxury with Neoteric Reserve's world-class lifestyle club. Experience the ultimate celebration, our enchanting party venue. VIP Oasis, the ultimate executive lounge experience. Discover inner peace at the serene meditation center. Indulge in the ultimate coziness. Our luxurious rooms await. Get your heart pumping at the cardio gym. Get ready to sweat, sauna and steam. Feast your eyes on a culinary wonderland. Welcome to our cafeteria. Step into the ultimate chill zone at Terrace Cafe Lounge. Dive into never-ending bliss, Infinity Swimming Pool. Become a tennis champion with day and night lawn tennis court. Indulge in extravagance at Lifestyle Club. Neoteric Nature Park's renowned destination. Witness sheer opulence like never before. Neoteric Properties, अपनों के लिए, सपनों के लिए।